Good afternoon, students. My name is Montakhaev. I'm teacher of physics in your grade. Okay, dear my students, before starting our lessons, look at the board. Look at the board, whiteboard or Jamboard. What are seeing now in here? And what is the relationship between these photos? Okay. Yes, please stand in your place and explain, please.
In my opinion, magnetic effect, I see all of this on these pictures, magnetic effect of magnet and
Effects of the magnet.
Yeah.
Okay. And next students, who can answer about this question? What are seeing now in this picture?
Maybe recycling.
Recycling materials in here, recycled from irons, for example, excellent, and after that, excellent magnetizing effects. And today in our lesson, we will describe pulling or pushing force of the magnets. Also, it's called the iron magnets. There are two types of the magnets. It's electromagnets and the natural or iron magnets. Okay? And today we describe what is magnetic field in our lesson. Have you listened? My students? Okay. And today is our topic. Look at the Jamboard. Magnet and the magnetic field. Today we will explain and make a researching work about the magnetic field and the magnets. And what is magnet? Look at this picture. You can see in here the... Dear my students, you've got the paper and the magnetic fillings. It's called magnetic fillings, okay? Or iron fillings. And 4 bar magnets. This is called bar magnets. It's type of the magnets. And the horse shows magnets. 2 type. Okay. You have to drill into the magnet. The battery. There are 4 battery. You can use in each batteries. And the metal wire. And the iron nail. First of all, we have to construct in here magnetic field between electric currents. Also, it's called electromagnets. You can make this cord with cameras, and after that, you have to connect this board with a smartphone. Why? Because we have to write in here the explain work of our each groups. Have you understand me? Yes. Okay.
And then now we control magnetic fields to each other to show us the other effects. We can connect our units. And I want to...
What is a magnetic field and of an electric current? Now, we have created handmade construction, which includes battery, iron nail, then inductors and a wire.
And the insulators.
And the
It's
insulators.
for emergency.
Yeah.
Excellent, my student. It's
Yeah.
insulators.
We're going to experience a magnetic effect. Look at
Okay.
this. Well, what is a magnetic effect? It means that the current flowing in a wire produces a magnetic effect.
Excellent. It's electromagnetic. Okay, stand here. Okay.
This is that according to the theories that this is materials is or depends on the domains inside them, because each domain depends on the billions of atoms that are attracted to each other or directed to each direction, to one
Excellent.
direction.
Excellent. And the khasiyat then
Materials such as iron and fuel attracted to magnets because they themselves become magnetized when there is a magnet nearby.
Excellent. It's magnetic because of
If it's
and okay, standing here. And then please.
If we talk about the things which attract to magnets, there are three types of magnetic materials. They are hard, soft, and magnetic materials. Hard one is such as steel, is difficult to attract and very difficult to magnetize. And soft one as iron, they are easily magnetized.
Magnetized, ferromagnets, also it's called
Strong metals.
okay, it's strong metals. Okay.
And certain non-magnets that includes cobalt, nickel, and aluminium, copper, and zinc.
It's not non-magnetic materials. For example, copper, aluminum is non-magnetic materials, but iron, nickel, and chrome is magnetic materials. This magnetic materials, ferromagnets. And the next students.
Magnetic field is an invisible area around a magnet or moving electric charge.
Excellent. Oh, electric current. Excellent, my students. Sit down in your place. And the next students. Okay.
Well, including to our lesson, our group, we will see about magnetic effect of a current. It is really interesting effect. So, magnetic field around a wire, if, for example, if an electric current is passed through a wire, a weak magnetic field is produced. The field has these features. The first, the magnetic field lines or circles. The second, the field is strongest close to the wire.
Okay, next students.
And I want to say the fact that about current. How current forms? It forms from the force, and it has zero, negative, and positive sides.
Positive sides.
Yeah.
Okay.
And as
This is battery.
Yeah, it's battery, and it has two poles, like positive, yeah, and minus. So
Okay.
if we strong the currents, it will strong the magnetic field.
Excellent. This is effects of the electric current and the magnets. Okay. And next students.
And I want to say about words of my classmate Daniel.
Okay.
And when we do, for example, we did a magnet with electrical current. But how we can understand where is plus and the minus poles?
Okay.
For that, we have good rule of electrical current.
Okay.
Always we have rule of right hand.
Okay. Right. No. It's yeah. Now by Google Sheets or Excels, your accuracy or scores is your result after finishing these exams. Look at here, this is scores, and these your names, and these questions. And a 10 by 10 algebra is very best. Your answer. And then Manuati.
We've been known that magnets has two poles, north and south, and that they repel when they have like poles, and when they have like poles, they attract each other.
In addition to this, we also knew about how to create a handmade magnet with a wire and electrical current.
And we could see pictures of fields using papers and fillings.
Yeah, that's all.